Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you are the meeting organizer and then open the Outlook desktop app. The web version may not offer the No Notify option. Once open, go to Calendar and find the specific meeting. Double-click the item to open either the single occurrence or the entire series depending on what you must change. Make only the first simple edits now, times, location, or notes, because these determine whether you can suppress attendee updates later. You now apply the detailed edits while avoiding send. Change time, location, description, or attachments directly in the meeting form. Once done, choose Save or Save and Close rather than Send Update. Outlook Desktop sometimes lets you save organizer-only fields. If Outlook prompts about sending updates, look for the option to update only the meeting on your calendar or to not send updates to attendees. Choose that. Make sure recurring edits are handled per occurrence versus the entire series to prevent unintended notifications. You finish by double-checking your calendar entry to confirm the edits saved and that attendees did not receive new notifications. If Outlook insists on sending updates for your changes, revert and try smaller edits or add organizer-only notes instead of modifying fields that trigger notifications. If the client or exchange policy forces notifications, contact your admin. They can adjust server-side options or perform the edit for you. Remember, some fields always trigger updates, so know which fields are safe to change without alerting attendees.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.